Let's see how to use lightboxes on Editor X. Lightboxes are attention-grabbing pop-ups that appear in front of page content to give visitors information or get them to take an action. They're great for sharing promotions, getting subscriptions, and more. On Editor X, you can edit them to work effectively on different screen sizes. We'll explore how to add, customize, and design lightboxes across breakpoints. Let's dive in. On this landing page, we want to add a lightbox that pops up when users click the subscribe button. So first we'll grab one from the Add panel under Layout Tools. There are a few different styles to choose from. Let's pick this. Right when the lightbox is added, it's in Edit mode. We can access this or any other lightbox we add from the Pages panel here. Behind the lightbox container, there's this overlay that's darkening the page behind it. To change that up, we can just open the inspector and edit the page background settings. Another quick change we can make here is that we can choose whether clicking the overlay lets visitors close out of the lightbox. There are a couple other options to close it as well. We'll cover them a bit later on. Okay, here's the lightbox design we want to create. It's going to be a full page one with a background image like this, some text, and a sign-up form. We'll design this lightbox the same way we would any other container. To get the design we want, we'll start by setting the width to 100 viewport width and the height to 100 viewport height. This way, the container covers the full viewport. Like all containers, this one has a 1x1 grid applied by default. And the grid itself might have other height properties set up. So let's go to the row height here and make it 1FR, so we can make sure the lightbox takes up all of the available space. Next, we'll add an image, change it to this one we uploaded earlier, then stretch it. And then we'll change the content that's in this stack here. Style the text based on our site theme, get rid of this button, then add the text we want. We're using this lightbox for visitors to add their email and subscribe. So for that, we'll need a form. This one has an email input. We'll add it to the stack and quickly design it to look how we need. If you want to know more about using forms, you can check out our tutorial on them. Last thing here, we'll adjust the form size so it's the full width of the stack container it's in. This way, it adjusts along with the stack. Now, we'll make the stack container's width 80%. And let's also add a 600 pixel max width so it doesn't get too big on larger screens. We need to fix up the spacing here as well. Cool. That's done. So let's make sure our visitors can close this lightbox. Like we said before, there are a few options, and this particular lightbox has an X icon, which we'll move here where it's more noticeable, and let's center and make it bigger. All good on desktop. Let's resize and see how it looks at other breakpoints. So it looks good on tablet, but on mobile, the fit of this text isn't ideal. To fix that, let's set the text to scale with these min and max sizes. We'll try sizing again. Now, once we get to the mobile breakpoint, the text scales down a bit. Much better. Okay, we've got our design and layout done at all breakpoints. We'll need to set up how it behaves, so let's go to Set Triggers for a look at the settings. We'll change the lightbox name. Here, if we chose for it to display automatically, we could decide which pages we want it on, and the time it takes to pop up after the page loads. But we'll knock that off for now. We want to trigger the lightbox another way, and have it open by clicking a button. From here, we can also choose from these options to close the lightbox, either with an X icon or a close button. To add a little interest, we'll change the animation of the lightbox as it opens. We'll set this one to slide in and have it come up from the bottom of the screen. Okay, the lightbox is all set up. Now let's go back to the home page and get it to appear by hitting this button. We'll link this button to the lightbox option and choose our subscribe one. All good, time to preview. Hitting subscribe brings up the lightbox. We can submit the form, then close with the X when we're done. And that's it for how to add and design a lightbox, edit its settings, and get it to appear on a site. Editor X is an advanced creation platform. To master it, continue watching the series of video tutorials.